Hello everybody, and welcome to this edition of Motivation of Life. We understand your anticipation for the latest updates, and today, we're diving into some crucial information about the Australian skilled migration landscape. As we journey through this video, you'll gain insights into upcoming nominations, eligibility criteria, the importance of updating your details, and much more. So, let's get started. Exciting nominations on the horizon. First off, the exciting news. We're nearing the light at the end of the tunnel. The highly anticipated nominations are on the horizon, and we're gearing up for them to roll in any day now. While we can't pinpoint an exact date, we're looking at a likely time frame within this month. It could be as early as Monday, maybe by Wednesday, but rest assured, the wait is almost over. Significant figures for skilled migrants. As we approach the final leg of the migration year 2324, there is a considerable number to discuss. Around 63,000 to 64,000 nominations for the subclass 190 and subclass 491. This substantial figure underscores the Australian Immigration Department's consistent emphasis on skilled migrants contributing significantly to the nation's economy. Eligibility criteria and points requirement. Now, let's talk about eligibility criteria. The baseline requirement for occupations remains steady at 65 points and a minimum of 6 bands in each section. Notably, no additional experience is necessary. This means that individuals eyeing a subclass 491 nomination need not stress about boosting their points beyond 65, a common misconception. A solid score and language proficiency are often sufficient, while a subclass 491 nomination might not require the points hustle. Those aspiring for a subclass 190 nomination could face more competition for the latter. Raising your score could make a difference in securing the nomination. Keeping your expression of interest up to date. With nominations on the cusp, it's imperative to ensure your expression of interest, EOI, is up to date. The EOI system is designed to automatically adjust some details, such as your age and work experience point. However, certain aspects need your manual input. If your family composition changes or your employment situation evolves, promptly update your EOI to reflect these modifications. Additionally, any additional claims you're making should also be accurately included. Here's an important point to note. Your existing valid EOI will be carried forward, provided they aren't older than 2 years. States will utilize these EOIs to send invitations. For those opting for direct applications, these EOIs will serve as the foundation for your application process, enhancing efficiency and addressing concerns. As we move forward, it's worth mentioning that some applicants awaiting decisions from the states can anticipate these decisions soon after the states reopen. The states are geared up and ready to facilitate the process, and efforts are being made to enhance efficiency, ensuring quicker and smoother results. Addressing a concern that arose in the previous migration year, we sincerely hope that the issue of duplicacy in nominations is minimized. It's been distressing for some applicants to receive nominations from multiple states, only to discover later that one nomination becomes redundant. We trust that this concern will be better managed this time around. Visa updates and prioritized sectors. Shifting our focus to visa updates, we recently received some 491 visas this week, specifically for the health and education sectors. These sectors continue to be prioritized in the migration process, underlining their significance to Australia's growth and development. Looking ahead, we hope for an expansion of available occupations, particularly in New South Wales, NSW. Certain occupations like private tutors and retail buyers were underserved in the previous cycle, as these occupations fall under the Short-Term Skilled Occupation List, STSOL. We remain optimistic that they will receive due attention and invitations in the upcoming migration year. Anticipating diversification and regional focus. As we eagerly anticipate the commencement of the migration season, let's delve into some additional insights that could greatly impact your Australian skilled migration journey. One notable aspect to consider is the anticipated diversification of occupations. With the Australian Immigration Department's emphasis on a well-rounded influx of skilled migrants, we can expect a broader array of occupations to become available for nomination. This could open new doors for individuals with unique skill sets and expertise, making the migration landscape more inclusive and dynamic. Another significant facet of the upcoming migration season is the emphasis on regional nominations. The subclass 491 visa, with its regional focus, is poised to play a crucial role in dispersing skilled migrants across different parts of Australia. This approach not only contributes to regional development but also provides migrants with diverse opportunities to integrate into various local communities. Streamlined nomination process and industry demand. To foster a seamless migration process, states are actively working on enhancing their efficiency and responsiveness. Lessons learned from the previous cycle have led to improvements in processing times and decision-making. This dedication to streamlining the nomination process is a positive sign for all prospective skilled migrants, ensuring a smoother transition to their new life in Australia. Consideration of industry-specific demand remains paramount. Industries such as healthcare, information technology, engineering, and construction have consistently demonstrated a high demand for skilled professionals. Keeping a keen eye on the evolving requirements of these industries could provide you with a strategic advantage under migration planning. Adapting to skill assessment changes. Skill assessments, a fundamental aspect of the migration process, are subject to change over time. It's essential to stay informed about any updates or modifications to the skill assessment criteria for your chosen occupation. Adapting to these changes and aligning your qualifications accordingly will ensure a strong application and a higher chance of nomination. Strategic points allocation strategy. For those aiming for a subclass 190 nomination, a strategic points allocation strategy could prove advantageous. While the baseline requirement is 65 points, it's worth exploring opportunities to boost your score further. Assessing areas such as age, language proficiency, work experience, and qualifications can help you make informed decisions on where to focus your efforts. As you embark on this migration journey, consider engaging with professionals who specialize in Australian immigration. Expert guidance can provide valuable insights, assist in navigating complex procedures, and ensure that your application is well prepared and optimized for success. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Australian skilled migration landscape is poised for a vibrant and promising future. As the migration year unfolds, opportunities will abound, and it's essential to stay tuned to updates, requirements, and emerging trends. Embrace this exciting journey with optimism, preparation, and a proactive approach. The possibilities are vast and waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Australian skilled migration update. Until next time, take care and best of luck on your migration path. Goodbye.